Good evening, folks. This is chmr chmr James Follett for Friday, December 21st, the 6 p.m. evening update. Mild and dry before Christmas, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day looking dry and cold, and we have an Arctic blast for next week that's going to bring some very cold temperatures. We'll find out how cold in a few minutes. Take a look at the current conditions right now. -1 out there with those pretty clear skies. Dew point at -4. The humidity at 76%. We have light winds now at 6 km per hour from the north. Wind chill at -7. I mean, nice high pressure at 1,021 and 0.56 millibars. ALMANAC today, the high hit 1 degree. The low -2. The average is 1 degree, so we are right on average. The average low is -6. The record high, 12 degrees, and the record low, -18, and we had no precipitation today. Already forecast now for 6 p.m. right through till 3 a.m. overnight tonight. We are looking at those pretty clear skies. Temperatures dropping off quite quickly as we get into the overnight hours. -1 by 9 o'clock. By midnight, we're at -3. By 3 a.m., -5, and by waking up tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. under mostly clear skies and -7. Wind chills will be close to -10 though. For tonight, pretty clear and cold, -7. Those winds will be light. 10% chance of any precipitation. And temperatures through tonight, we are looking at those temperatures dipping down to -3 by midnight. And then they'll slowly fall down to -6 by 5 a.m. and -7 by 6 a.m. So it's seasonal temperatures for the nighttime. Tomorrow, looking at mostly cloudy skies, 4 degrees, so a balmier day. 20% chance of precipitation, 30 km per hour winds from the south. And tomorrow night, looking at showers and windy, temperature of 2 degrees. Those southeast winds really kicking up 50 to 80, gusting to 90 km per hour overnight. A 40% chance of showers. And for the weekend, Saturday, looking at those mostly cloudy skies and 4 degrees. And on Sunday, looking at showers and rain. 7 degrees for your high on Sunday. This is going to be balmy. And a low of 4. And looking at the storm for Sunday, it's looking likely we're just going to get some gusty winds and some rain. Very low threat for any snow and sleet. A medium threat for winds. And a high threat for rain and slick roads. And for Christmas Eve, looking like not too bad. Pretty clear skies right through the Christmas Eve forecast. Temperatures of -1 by noon, -4 by supper hour. And take a look at the temperature tracker. Again, those warm temperatures right through the weekend and then falling by Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And those temperatures continue to fall as we get through Boxing Day and into the last week of December, with temperatures falling down to -10 by Friday, with a morning low of only -16. That's your chmr weather. Have a great day.